The timer mode on a Casio WS 1300H lets you set a countdown timer from 1 minute to 24 hours. An alarm sounds when it reaches 0. From the home screen, press the mode button 3 times to enter the timer mode. Hold down the adjust button until the hour setting starts flashing. Use the light and search button to change the hours. Press the mode button to set the minutes. Use the light and search buttons to change the minutes. Press the mode button to set the auto repeat. Use the search button to turn it on or off. Off is OF. Press adjust to exit the settings screen. Press search to start or stop the timer. Press mode 3 times to get back to the home screen. Press any button to stop the alarm.